Hi guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to Honest Try TV. And today I'm going to do an unboxing from Mila. So if you, formerly known as XCJ, I believe, and they are a soup dumpling shipping company, soup dumpling manufacturer / shipping company. I'm a huge fan of soup dumplings, and they are extremely hard to find, especially where we live now. So yes, very excited. We made a video previously about XCJ milk dumplings, and unfortunately it was somewhat ruined by the fact that my now 16-year-old brother-in-law left them sitting out on the countertop, which caused them to thaw and then refreeze stuck together. I didn't know that. So when I took them out the freezer to make the video, what I had was one giant lump of frozen together soup dumplings. And I was panicking trying to figure out how to get them separated so that I can make like, I don't know, 8 or so of them without thawing the entire thing and or ruining the dumplings. So we're going to do a redo, starting fresh. So as you can see, they changed the name of the company. It's now Mila. I don't know if that means that they changed the recipes or what, but apparently they're doing well. So I just opened the box. Here's what we got inside. Mila, formerly XCJ. New name, same delicious Chinese food. Okay, cool. So they didn't really change much. There's the code if you're interested. Finding out more about the company. Let's see if I can zoom in on that so you can get that if you're interested. Okay. And let's see what else we got. Looks like a little flyer of some sort. Free shipping on all orders over 99 bucks. That's what I wish I could have taken advantage of. I didn't, and shipping cost I think $20. So I was a little sad about that. I think the dumplings cost $40 plus 20 bucks in shipping, so basically $60. So it came out to a little over $1 and change per dumpling. It's kind of high, but oh, that's cute. It's like a little newsletter, a little crossword puzzle in the back. But okay. I mean, where else are you going to get soup dumplings? Especially if you live in an area, in a state where great Chinese food is hard to find. All right, so I'm going to break into this plastic. It's going to take me 2 hands, so I will be right back. All right, so I pulled back the plastic and I started removing the styrofoam top, and this is what we've got inside. 1 bag of Mila soup dumplings. I got pork because that was my favorite previously. And so yeah, here we go. Ready in 12 minutes. Steamer sheets included. Really? Huh. Where? I wonder if they're in the bag. How to cook, store, cook instructions, etc., etc. And nutrition facts. So here we go. This is my bag of Mila pork soup dumplings. Very excited to break into this puppy. And there are, let's see, this is 2.75 pounds. I forget how many dumplings. Oh, approximately 50. There you go. Approximately 50 dumplings keep frozen. So yeah, and I don't think there's anything else in here. Just dry ice. Yeah, it's just dry ice in the bottom there. And that's it. So we're gonna make some in a bit, and I will let you know if I think the recipe is still the same or if it's gotten better or what. It looks like basically the same packaging as before, other than the name change, obviously. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. And let's do a taste test. All right, so now we're ready to dive in and actually try our pork soup dumplings from Mila. So let me switch it over to the back. These came nicely frozen, so I can already tell they're not stuck together in a giant lump, which is great. However, they do have a money-back guarantee. I think it was on the flyer, actually, that came with the package. But if they do come melted and disgusting, you can get your money back. So I appreciate that. All right. There's also a best use by date. About a year, basically, they're good for. It's perfectly fine for me. They won't last that long. All right, so upon arrival, you want to freeze immediately. We did that. We're going to bring our water to a roiling boil. That's step one. And we're going to place the dumplings in a lined steamer basket. So earlier you heard me mention that they're supposed to be steamer liners in here somewhere. So I'm going to see if I can open this. Let me get some scissors. All right, I'm back with my scissors. Let me break into this. Try not to cut the resealable part. Where are my... Oh, there they are. Okay, so they are in here. So inside, you will find your dumplings. And ta-da, your little liners. I got this puppy on Amazon. I think it was $12. Mila has one on their website. It's really expensive. I'm sure it's high quality or whatever, but mine has been doing me great for years now, so we're going to stick with that. In goes my little liner. Pop a couple of these puppies in here. We can eat a good bit of these. They do plump up quite a bit. 10 on this one. Stack. Another little liner. Put another 10 here. All right, perfect. And on goes our top. All right. So make sure to leave a 1-inch gap between the dumplings. I think I basically sort of did that. And then we're going to steam them for 11 minutes. Rest for 1 minute with your lid on. After 1 minute, remove lid and rest for an additional 1 minute and serve. Okay? So I'm going to hurry up, reseal this, and stick it back in my freezer because I don't want the nightmare that I had last time where they thawed. But before I do that, I'm going to zoom in so in case you're interested, you can see the nutritional facts there for 3 pieces. All right, and there are instructions. So I'm going to go pop this back in my freezer. All right, so I've got my wok on. Water is coming to a boil now, and then once we're ready, we'll just pop our steamer tray on top. 11 minutes. In case you're interested, this is the Helen steamer. And again, I did get it from Amazon. And there we go. So I just got that down. And I'm going to go set my timer, and we'll be right back. All right, so I just took this out of my wok, and we're going to pop the top off and let it rest. Ooh, look at that steam. I'll let them rest for 1 more minute. And then we will dive in and do a taste test. I didn't order any of the sauces that come on the side. I think there's like a red pepper one, a vinegar one, and then an umami one. We got them before, tried them, and our favorite was the vinegar. But I skipped on that this time. I do have some sauces. I'm not sure how well they'll pair, though, because honestly, it's been a while since we've had these, and I'm not entirely confident about how well this is going to go. I just have soy sauce, and I forget what the other one is. It's like a ramen broth kind of base sauce that I use. So whatever. We're going to let these hang out for a minute, cool down so that we can eat them, and then we will be back for the taste test. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. And we're back. All right. So I'm just going to grab one of these. We're going to start with the soy sauce. And I'm going to try not to make a mess. Oh my gosh. I miss you so much. I'm not tasting like a significant difference in the flavor. It's still really good. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Okay. And try the tsuyu. First of all, they taste amazing. Oh my gosh. This is like the best comfort food ever. Especially since, I don't know if you can make it out, but this is my stomach. Because I am now 7 months pregnant with our second son. And this is just like the perfect, easy peasy lunch for us. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, so I would highly recommend these puppies. They're like a 10 out of 10 for me. They're so good, and also impossible to get where I live currently. And I'm a huge fan of soup dumplings. They're good. I mean, if you don't want to get the sauces that they offer, the soy sauce and the tsuyu, if you have those and you cook with those regularly, or happen to have, spare packets of soy sauce around, like that works fine too. I like it just fine. Or honestly, they're soup dumplings. You can just eat them plain if you want to. But yeah, absolutely love them. So good job, Mila. I'm happy that the expansion hasn't significantly changed the recipe apparently. And I can see why they're doing well. So I hope you found this helpful. I know that they have a couple of other flavors available. I think also chicken and shrimp. I can't have shrimp. So you might order those when we have a family gathering and get feedback from people that aren't allergic to seafood to see between the three flavors which ones they like best. But this has consistently been my go-to. Like the pork one is still everything. So thank you so much for joining us on Honest Try TV, and we will see you next time. Bye!